It was just hailing. Got a lot of footage of the lightning and the hailstorm mixed. Pretty cool thing to witness. Never witnessed this in New York before. A lot of time in Orlando I spent. So it's just about daily with the lightning storm. See how it's going crazy. Electrical storms. What's up, Mom? Oh wow, look at that. Where we at? Yo, that's how big the hail is. That's how big the hail is right there.
Nothing.
I know it's melting, but yeah.
Alright, turn that light off, babe.
Look at that. Those are like the veins of the earth right there. Those trees reaching up to the sky like that, the way it's looking to me. The lungs, they say the coronavirus attacks the lungs, right? And that shit looks just like the lungs, man. That's what gives the earth air, right? Those trees reaching up to the sky, looking real majestic and mighty right now. Yeah. That cleansing that comes from the sky. That rain. Yeah, man. There's nothing tropical about this wilderness that we in right now, but this rainstorm that turned into hail, this is pretty cool. Look like the lightning starting to subside. Still going though. Maybe it's moving this way like it did last time, a couple hours ago, when it was going crazy like this. Move from one side to the other. Not a meteorologist or nothing, but been around a while. Seen them coming and go. Seasons change, things like that. Destruction to become anew. Understand the harmony of the universe, laws of nature and such. So I appreciate such things. There's this storm during the time like this. It's 65 degrees earlier today. And then began the lightning, the thunder, and a tropical storm, and then hail down twice. Big size hail. Still lightning, still going. It's just pretty to witness. I'm gonna cut this camera off and enjoy it like a regular human being would. I'm out. Look at that. Look at that. I can't put it down. See, it's beautiful every time. Every time I say I'm gonna stop, it don't stop. This storm is crazy. Hours and hours. No, but each video I say different things too, you know? Each video I say different things. But this one I said some real shit. About the lungs reaching up to the earth, you know?